Hello everybody, Catmad here, and I am live on video from the Catfish Conference, and I am here with the boys from Stay Alive Stringer. They've had a great show. First of all, we want to say thank you to everybody for your interest in the stringers, and if you take the time to listen, you'll see that the word stringer doesn't always mean kill fish. These stringers were designed to do just the opposite. I want to talk to the guys here. We're going to have them explain to you what they do, why they made them, where you can get them. Take it away, my friend.
Yeah. So, hi, welcome. My name's Mark. I'm the inventor of Stay Alive Stringer. So, I don't keep my fish. I'm releasing them or I'm giving them away. I have an arrangement, and I won't say who, but you'll be able to figure this out. You can fish as much as you want, but you can't bring them nasty things into my house. So because of that, that's why the fish get released or given to other fishermen when I'm out there fishing. So how this came to be was about 2 years ago. I'm fishing by myself. I got a really nice cat on a traditional stringer, and I did what I learned growing up. You run that stringer through the gill. You got him there, and we're good to go. I look over. He's about ready to practice the backstroke.
Right.
And so I knew that wasn't good. We got him off the stringer. Fortunately, we were able to save him, and he swam off, hopefully to make more catfishes. But that, as a fisherman, that kind of was the aha moment for me. I realized that this is bad. This isn't good. I almost wasted a perfectly good catfish. Not good for anybody. Definitely not good for the cat. So we just spent some time trying to figure out how to do this better. Ultimately, the thought came to me, what if we could harness them somehow by their tail? Didn't know how that was going to work, but if they're hooked by if they're harnessed by their tail, they can swim. If they can swim, they can breathe. If they can breathe, they can stay alive, thus the name. So that's how this came about. So we did a lot of trial and error. I can't even remember how many different concepts we worked on. We settled on the 2-loop harness system. So this stringer here is the unique piece. You got 2 harnesses. That's going to come down, and I'm going to have Matt help me here. So here's the tail of the fish. We put this around, and I'm just going to open that up. We're going to secure that down here. We're going to open the other harness up, pull it open. This is going to go around here. We snug it here and here. Now that harness is on the tail. That tail can move, he can swim. That allows him to be out in the water. The problem with traditional stringers is you're stacking them on top of each other. Now that we've got the harness on them, our stringer is set up so that you can clip them about every foot into a loop. We clip it in. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Now it's clipped in. So now he's out in the water, he's swimming, and you can see this on our Facebook. So here's the next loop. He's out here in the water, they're here. Traditional stringer, you're going to pull that stringer all the way in, you're going to undo it, you're going to slide the next fish on, you're going to stack them up. They're tight on top of each other, again, not doing anything good for the fish. Now I can have them spaced apart. I've only got to bring this back far enough to clip in the next fish. This fish stays in the water the whole time. I clip in my next one, he takes the line out. We anchor it at the shore using a clip. Nothing fancy here. You just open it up, clip it in, create a loop, tent stake in the ground. He's harnessed, he's tethered to shore, and that's how it works, and that's what we're about.
And he stays alive. Mark, where can they find him?
Okay. So we have a Facebook page. We have a website. So stayalivestringer.com. That's our website. You can find us on there. You can order online from the website. We do have permanent discounts on the website for anybody in first responders. If you're a first responder or you're buying for a first responder, and then military, either veteran, active duty, or you're buying for an active duty or veteran. You can just use the promo codes that we have there, and those discounts are permanent for those responders and military folks.
There you have it, people, the Stay Alive Stringer. Check them out. Mark told you where to look. I'm going to see if he'll let me go, and that's a wrap for Catfish Conference 2023. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.